Hi everyone, Stepan here. I have the black pieces again. The last two games were just dreadful. Okay, the London. I'm going to go into the Caro-Kann if I can, and I can. So we have the Exchange Caro-Kann. He should play c3 here, and he could also go bishop d3. Well, no, he cannot go bishop d3. He needs to play c3, and now I could go for lines with bishop f5 or lines with f6. I think I'm gonna go for bishop f5, and then if he plays knight f3, I'm gonna go f6. And let's see what he does about this. This is risky, to say the least, for black, but I'm preventing queen b3, knight e5 ideas, and also I'm looking to expand with either g5 or e5, depending on what he does. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go for g5. He really should go back to d2, I think, not allow me another tempo with h5. Okay. I'll just grab as much space as I can. Can he go knight g5 here? I don't think so. I know I'm playing like a maniac here, but I think it's justified. If I can grab space, then why not? Okay. One more tempo. Okay, now I'm gonna go e6. Maybe queen b3, queen b6 first, but I don't think so. I'm just gonna go e6 and trade off his bishop. So now it's obvious that he's never castling kingside. And I've created some weaknesses, but I have a lot of space. Still, I don't think knight h4 or knight g5 works. Probably knight h6 is correct. Okay, I think knight h6 is okay. He still cannot sack the knight on g5. Wow, he did. I didn't think this was possible. Okay, so fg5, queen h5, check, knight f7. A tempo on the queen. What does he have there? I don't think he has anything. But we will see. Because my knight defends the rook. This is a very common pattern. Yeah, I don't think he should have gone for this. I don't see what he has here. I don't think he thought this through. He could play queen e2, threatening bishop f5. But I can just take on d3. Okay. Okay. Let's analyze this, because this is an interesting variation, which, if you don't know, then you could be in trouble. So after bishop f5, knight f3, f6 really it is not a good move. f6 is a risky move, but it does introduce the option of g5 and e5, and it prevents this idea. If they go queen b3, you can now go queen d7. Whereas here, if you go e6 and they go queen b3 and you go queen d7, they can now go knight e5. Where, of course, knight e5 runs into all sorts of issues later. So now already bishop b5 is hanging and you have to play weird moves like a6. So after f6, I think bishop d3 is correct. Just trying to trade off this bishop. And after queen takes, probably g5 is too risky now. Because you don't have h5, because they have queen g6, so you continue e6, bishop d6, knight e7, queen c7, and castles queenside. But the way he played it with bishop e2, I've never seen before. So let's just have a look at this position. So g5, and it's almost always correct to retreat the bishop back, because you don't want to be running into several losses of tempi if you don't have to. h5, h6, h4, bishop h2, e6, knight h6. Yeah, okay, knight g5 is just bad. I mean, he should have just taken here, and castling kingside from a human perspective. If he does this, I go bishop d6 and probably king f7. And I mean, I'm looking forward to a position like this. Let's say knight d2 and rook g8. Where, okay, if knight h2, I can go knight h6, I think. I mean, I think it's just easier to play for me. I've created a ton of weaknesses, but yeah, okay, knight g5 just loses the game on the spot. Okay, I did get a win in. It wasn't a good game. I'll try to play another one because I want to pay back for the last two games before this one. So stay tuned for more chess and see you with the next one. Bye bye.